Come on, Coda. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
You got it.
Come on, Coda. You're okay. You're okay. He doesn't want to do it. I was going to try and get a video of him to go down, but...
You got that. You go down the little canyon, makes it super easy.
Now we're in Coda's terrain. He was going good. I got some good video of him. Yeah, I got some good video of him too. Whoa. Man, our Texas family's gonna go crazy over this video with Dakota.
Yeah.
Yeah. They love him. Yeah, Coda just climbed that.